I am disgusting.
What?
Drink water, kids, or else you won't get to go on the sash with your friends.
Yeah. You my right hand, you my go-to.
Ooh, she thick. Well, it's like the scene of you having a smoke by the window, but Andy's not topless and he's not smoking. Say hi to my YouTube.
Hi. You so fucking precious when you smile.
That's not gonna stay. Wasn't quite the vlog I was expecting today. I've just been abandoned at Will's flat. Joking. I've got cystitis, so everyone has kind of gone out and then I'm gonna go meet them in about an hour. But I basically, because everyone wanted to go out and I literally was like, I can't, like I feel like I can't even move right now. So I'm waiting here till I feel a little bit better and then I'm gonna go out and join everyone. Drink water, kids, or else you won't get to go on the sash with your friends because your urethra is burning. Also, earlier you would have seen me baking, and if you're wondering how it turned out, didn't turn out good. My like brownies stuck to the pan and wouldn't come off properly, but the cookies worked, the cookies were great, and I brought them over to Will to celebrate him finishing the end of his A-levels because I'm very proud of him. He's worked very hard. So that's what I was doing. I wasn't baking for myself because I'm fat enough as it is. I was baking for other people, so other people will be fat, so I'll look less fat.
It's just one of those days when you... Hi, welcome to Chill.
We are heading out. Just check everything's okay. Thank you, thank you. Hi. Hi. This mirror is my least favourite mirror in the whole world because honestly, it's the mirror I see after every night out, so I get to see how much of a mess I am. A bit like now. Real top tip, like I'm not joking, like literally do this. I could be saving your life from a serial killer and I'm not even joking. If you're alone and like you see someone walking towards you or something just seems a bit sus, like that car, pretend to be on the phone. That's literally what I've done to everyone I'm passing right now. Although it's not actually really late at all, I just pretend to be on my phone because it makes me feel better. If you pretend to be on your phone, like people are a lot less likely to approach you. Just a basic bitch trying to not get killed in the streets of Cheltenham, thank you. I literally just thought about what I said and I think I look more suspicious right now, walking along holding a vlogging camera, 2 phones, a pair of keys. What is this? A collection of keys. Wearing this outfit. Bitch, the fuck.
Birds with stars then.
Love you. That is horrible. What, are they closed? Oh, Auntie! Eating.
What?
For such a small camera, it's like really good.
Oh, it's so gross.
Didn't have to do any of that.
I like it.
Got me looking so crazy right now, we lost. Got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now.
It's time to stop!
Allow it.
She's gonna try to jump out.
Damn it! I was doing... Just say good morning to my vlog.
I'm not gonna drive. Hi.
Andy, do you want to say good morning to my vlog?
Good morning.
What's your advice today?
I don't know.
Ah! Oh. Wow. I love beer. Bon tap le cuif. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at my feet. They're like properly they're covered in, look at literally look at my toes. They're not burnt. My feet aren't burnt. They're just a bit sore. Oh my god, is that James Charles?
Hi, sister.
I come out for a nice day in the park with William and he's already drinking. Just two friends chilling in a lift, standing 5 feet apart because they're not gay.
Sorry.
I'll miss you. We have a poorly papa in the house. Love you. Oh, look, she's turning her head to see me. I know. You need some love, don't you? You've got a poorly doggy. You're the best papa in the world. You are, and I love you so much. Good morning to a puppy who's feeling better. Good morning, little angel face. Why are my feet so veiny? Ugh. I also bought a pair of Calvin Klein. I also bought a pair of Calvin Klein sliders thinking they'd be comfy. I was wrong. Say hi. Hi. Say hi, Molly. I am disgusting. Disgusting! Hi guys, it's Alfie Days, and because I'm doing a £1 challenge and I can't use a face wash, I'm just going to use this luxury Chamberlain bath soap that cost me £60. She's better than she was yesterday energy-wise, but she keeps retching, and if you look at her stomach, like her breaths are just so irregular. It honestly breaks my heart. I love this dog more than anyone in my life, Molly. I love you. I love you, Molly. So I've been oh Jesus Christ. I've been lying out in the sun all day. I have actually caught the sun a bit, but now I'm just getting ready to go to the gym. Gym in this weather, 28-degree heat, yes. Why? Because I'm fat. I make a lot of detrimental jokes to myself, and most of the time I'm joking. Psych, I'm actually just really insecure. Ooh, bougie new car alert. Oh, it smells like new car and hot car. We have an error, we need to take it back. Is that a TV?
No.
So you can watch TV whilst you're driving?
No, it's sat nav.
Wow, that's so cool. I wish all cars had TVs. How anyone can come home from the gym and look semi-decent is beyond me. Do you want to say hi to my vlog?
Hi, vlog.
I decided to sleep downstairs last night just to make sure my puppy's okay. But she seems good. I don't know whether to be proud or disgusted because I've just made my feet hold hands. Self-love at its finest. Yesterday I literally did shit all, and today I'm doing shit all. What's one step lower than shit all? Shit. The fact that it could have been me who crushed the snail honestly triggers me to no end. What the f? There's not even a snail in it. If a snail's shell gets trod on, does that mean it becomes a slug? What the f? The amount of wasps that have come up to me today is actually beyond a joke. You know what? It's kind of getting rude. This isn't a meet and greet, honey. I've literally been dying laughing for the last 5 minutes because I just watched back those clips and my whole poop was out. I don't know what to do with myself. I'm so bored. We're having a sleepover, yeah! So, it's just not a good idea to stop talking as I'm brushing my teeth. Today is gonna be a busy day, let me tell you. So many people ask me how I get my teeth so white, and honestly, I don't even whiten them. I just brush them so hard that I get through about a toothbrush a week. Anyway, today's gonna be a really busy day. I don't even know if I'm gonna be like allowed to film what I'm doing, but I've got prom girls because it's prom season. Everyone's having prom. It's like baby season, but prom season. That's the most stupid thing I've ever said in my life. Selling this used, real, authentic Little Miss Flossie plaster that was used to sort out this bad boy on my Depop. Only £150 plus postage and packaging.
But it's just gone like so much darker, and like I like it, but yeah, once it's like it's kind of in. And we tried and script it last time. I
feel like a drowned rat. If YouTube doesn't work out.
It's just one of those days.
So awkward. There was a man there and it looked like I was flipping the bird at him, but I was doing it with my camera.
Oh! What, the guy over there?
That guy who just walked out that door and looks like he's weeing out of the door. Literally looks like he's having a wee. That's drug launder. When have you ever seen anyone walk into there? Oh my god. No, that sofa and bed shop. Yeah. When have you ever seen anyone buy a sofa or a bed? Ever? No, but from there. I'm not joking, it's a drug launder.
Yeah.
And you're gonna be like, you're laughing at me, but that's because you're brainwashed, and I'm the only one who's not. And continue to follow the Thank you. Oh, look at the children on their bikes. Can't wait to have a baby.
Soon, Floss. Soon.
I need to film my YouTube pregnancy announcement video. I might do it whilst Will's away.
Look at her little tots.
Oh. Because I work for my money and she just eats it. Like she literally ate a £10 note. That was a really bad accent. If you put your baby on a conveyor belt, they would throw it at you. I used to think that when you've had a baby or a child, you bought it in like an airtight packet from like a Halloween shop or something. And then for a while I thought you had a baby, just saying, thinking in your head really hard, you're like, I want a baby, I want a baby. And then Leander got pregnant and I was like, I've been trying so hard.